Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Prizepicks Location. So if you're having trouble with location issues on Prizepicks, guys, don't worry. I've got it covered for you. So first things first, we're going to do is you want to go ahead to your device settings and ensure that location services are turned on, okay? So for iPhone users, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and navigate to settings, then go to privacy and security, go to location services, make sure it's enabled. Okay, if you're an Android user, go to settings, click on location and turn it on. Okay, and then what you want to do, guys, is you want to allow location access for Prizepicks, right? So you want to ensure that the Prizepicks app has permission to access your location. And on iPhone, what you do is in the settings, you want to scroll down to Prizepicks, just tap on location and select while using the app or always allow. And on Android, you want to go to settings, go to app, go to Prizepicks, and then click on permissions and enable location access. And of course, you also want to ensure that your location is actually accurate, right? So if your device is struggling to pinpoint your location, just toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your GPS, basically. Alternatively, guys, what you can do is you can connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, as you know, it often improves location accuracy. And then what we can also do is you can disable a VPN or proxy services. So, Prizepicks requires a clear and accurate location. So you just go ahead and disable any active VPNs or proxies that might interfere with location detection. And then, of course, you can also try updating the Prizepicks app. So just open up the App Store and check for updates to the Google, Prizepicks app. Updates often fix bugs, including location related issues. And then if you're an Android, what you can also do is you can try go ahead and clear cache and data of the app, right? So if you're an Android, do this, okay? Go click on settings, click on apps, choose Prizepicks, click on storage, and then just tap clear cache and clear data to basically reset the app. And then sometimes, a simple restart can often resolve minor glitches, including location problems. So you can go ahead and start restarting your device. And if none of these steps work, guys, you can always contact Prizepicks support, reach out to them via their app or website for personalized assistance. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.